Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my dear students. Welcome back. I'm teacher Malak Atubasi from Taqarib International School. So إن شاء الله قبل لا نبلش خلينا كلياتنا نكتب الصلاة على النبي اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد. So Action Back Book Unit 8 Reading Lesson. A reading lesson. So this is a new unit. Unit 8 Reading Lesson. Okay. What were you doing? So our title for this lesson is What were you doing? So from this title, guys, what you noted? Yes. So this title or this lesson talking about past continuous, right? Past continuous. So what were you doing? This sentence or this title is a past continuous. Okay. So guys, before we start reading, look at this picture. Look at the first picture. What can you see? What can you see in this picture? Can you explain to me what can you see in the first picture? Yes. Bravo. Yes. So here we have two girls, Layla and Samira. Yes, they have a dialogue. So let's start reading to know what is the dialogue between them. Layla, what were you doing on Saturday? Samira, at 1 o'clock I was at the shopping center with my mother. I was looking at the parks in the park shop. Layla, I was shopping on Saturday too. So this is a dialogue between them. Here, Layla asks Samira, what were you doing on Saturday? Samira's answer, at 1 o'clock, she was at the shopping center. With whom? Yes, with her mother. So again, at 1 o'clock, she was at the shopping center with her mother. Also, she was looking at the parks in the park shop. So, at 1 o'clock, she was at the shopping center with her mother. Also, she was looking at the parks in the park shop. So here, look at the new word, bookshop. Bookshop means vocabulary. Means library. Library means المكتبة. Okay. Layla's answer, she was shopping on Saturday too. Okay. Let's move to the second picture. So before we start reading in the second paragraph, what can you see in this picture? Yes, bravo. Layla, okay, and her mother. So let's start reading to know what's going on in this picture. Layla, what were you doing at 2 o'clock? Samira, I was looking for some new shoes. I was looking for, look at this picture, look at this word, looking for some new shoes at 2:30. We were in the clothes shop. I was looking at blouses. So Layla asked Samira, what were you doing at 2 o'clock? So Samira's answer, she was looking for some new shoes. So what were you doing at 2 o'clock? Samira's answer, she was looking for some new shoes. But at 2:30, we were in the clothes shop. I was looking at blouses. So at 2 o'clock, she was looking for some new shoes. But at 2:30, they were in the clothes shop. Also, she was looking at new clothes. Okay. Let's move to the third picture. Yes. Who's gonna tell me what can you see in this picture? What can you see? Yes. Yes, bravo. Yes. Kareem and her father. Yes. Let's start reading to know what's going on. Kareem, at 3 o'clock, I was choosing a computer game. At 3:30, I was in the sports shop. I was choosing football boots. Ali, at 3:30, I was reading a book. So, Kareem, at 3 o'clock, he was choosing a computer game. But at 3:30, he was in the sport shop. So, at 3 o'clock, he was choosing a computer game. But at 3:30, he was in the sport shop. Why? Because he wanna bought a football boots. Okay, Halim, at 3:30, okay, he was reading a book. Okay, now let's move to the last paragraph. Yes, okay. So before we start reading, what can you see in the last picture? Yes, bravo. Yes. So Kareem's family, yes, they sat together and they drank orange juice and eat cake. And they eat cake. So let's start reading. Kareem, at 4:15, I was in the car. I was going home. Ali, what were you doing at 5 o'clock? Kareem, I was drinking orange juice and eating cake. It was got to be at home. So Kareem, at 4:15, he was in the car and he was gonna home. Okay. Ali asks Kareem, what were you doing at 5 o'clock? So here at 5 o'clock, okay? Kareem's answer, he was drinking orange juice. So the first one is he was drinking orange juice. Also, he was eating cake with his family. It was good to be at home. Okay, now a new vocabulary in this lesson. Shopping center means مركز التسوق. Bookshop means المكتبة. In other words, library also means المكتبة. Yes. Looking for means yes, يبحث عن. So this is a new word, right guys? Looking for يبحث عن. Okay. Clothes shop means محل الملابس. Okay. Clothes means البلايز. Okay. The last word is sports shop. محل الرياضة. Again. Shopping center means مركز التسوق. Bookshop means المكتبة, or you could say library. Yes. Looking for means يبحث عن. Clothes shop means محل الملابس. Clothes means البلايز. And the last one is sports shop means محل الرياضة. Okay. Now, these vocabulary that related to the time in this lesson. O'clock means بالضبط. Half past means ونص. Quarter past means ربع. For example, 2 o'clock. تنتين بالضبط. 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Okay. Half past means ونص. Like 3:30. 6:30. 8:30. 9:30. Okay. The last one is a quarter past. A quarter past means ربع. Like it's a quarter past 4. It's a quarter past 11. It's a quarter past 12. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for listening.